of friendship and service that membership brings with it. We believe that you will enjoy being a member of your truly international organization and take a full and active part in all that this club offers. We do hope that you will feel you are among friends. All can say your name.
To be a part of this prestigious club.
Actually, Vinita was the treasurer when I was the district chairman, Riju was the president. But she wanted only when her husband would be the president of Rotary Club. I think it's the first time it happened in our club. She was secretary when her husband Sriram Soniji was the secretary. And usually what we think, if both are there, maybe it will be more like teachers in their home to do together. But they complement each other and they want to do in that way, and really it's a nice thing too. You have such a big support and I think our club too will be reaching new heights this time. And starting with, she has done a good project and I think she found a good sponsor too. He's ready to help. Actually, while going he was saying that I'm there for you always. If you have people like that, I think you can do wonderful projects. And wonderful projects, not only that, we are inducting new members into our stream, Innaville stream. It's the biggest, largest volunteer organization where 1 lakh, more than 1 lakh I think, all over the world they are the members of this prestigious organization. But friends, when you join Innaville, when you go to a project, then only you can have that touch. When you see underprivileged people who are like, when you do a project with them, when you see their eyes, then only you can see, you can feel what you're doing like, then you can move forward. We used to do that, but I think since 4-5 years, in projects, hardly, you can see 5 to 6 people coming for the project. But friends, members, new members, because we did that, we are members since 25 years, so we went there, we did projects, and we enjoyed in a way, and friendship. Children or the old people, whatever we are doing there, then you can feel that, like the touch, what you are doing to the society. She has given a beautiful theme for us. Together we can. Always we are together, but together we can achieve so much. And even our associate president Mamta Gupta, who is from Kolkata, I think Vinita is also from Kolkata. This time she has given a beautiful message, Orphan Free India. I think we can work towards that, Orphan Free India. Everyone has a dream of that, right? No one wants to be like, you don't want to see anyone like who is left their homes and who is homeless. We don't want anyone to see like that. And Kirti, I wish you All the best in the future. And Darshana, with you, I think it's really like, what do you say? क्या बोलते हिंदी में this thing to say. Even Manisha had a nice nice trio. Even last time, can you believe our district chairman remembers you? Tino ko, Trimurti ko. She was talking on the phone. Like I remember you three people, like your president, secretary, and the other one. Then I told, okay, it's treasurer, Vaishali. But then she remembers that way. Like when you do, like everyone remember, right? That's true. Then I think Darshana will compliment you, Kirti, in your work, and you'll take our wrestling club to new heights. And Kirti, with all the support of your family, and we, as PDCs, as senior members, and all the members, like I think now we are touching around about 80. So maybe cross more than that. Vinita, I think I can assure you that maybe we'll get you more. Then I request, I wish you all the best in the future. Kirti, take up our club to new heights, okay? And you were talking about the place. Now we need a place where we can put up a board, Innovate Club of Nizamabad, okay? Not the temporary, the permanent one. Okay. Thank you.
You should serve the society. So that's the true map. And we look forward that this year, maximum number of members accompany all the projects. Thank you so much. Next, I would like Saundarya, Innovate Sister Saundarya.
For that, this year, Kirti and Darshana. And it is a proud privilege to introduce my district chairman, and she is my best friend also, Vinita Harnatika. Vinita Harnatika was born in the year 1968 at Kolkata. She did her graduate from Chennai, and she joined Innerville Club of Guntur in the year 1996. She was the club secretary during the year 2003 and 4. She was awarded as the best secretary. She was elected as president for the year 2004 and 5. She continued a president for 2 years, 2005 and 6 also. She stood as best president also. In the district, she served as ISO, ESO and district secretary and vice chairman. She married Rotarian Anil and is blessed with 2 children. Daughter Megha is married to Saurabh from Nagpur, and they have 2-year-old daughter. Son Varun has completed his chemical engineering from Cornell University and Ithaca, New York State, and she did not wrote her habits, but she is a best Tanjore painter, and also she is a good cook, and she is also best host, because during my chairman visit in Guntur, she in her house only completed that. So I am introducing my best friend Vinita Harnatika. Thank you very much.
Very heartening to note that your club has already started activities by celebrating Doctors' Day, Charter Day, Accountants' Day, and I've received photos through email and WhatsApp as well. Please keep up the good work and continue doing it. And congratulations to Manisha and team who have done so many projects in a year, more than 50 projects. Really amazing. Congratulations, Manisha. Already Shailja Rao explained, together we can. Yes, we can do so much together. Mahatma Gandhi would not have achieved independence if not for the support we received from the people of India. Britishers were astonished how a combined effort is superior to their guns. So together we can do really wonders. So I really appreciate Phyllis Charter has given us the very good theme as Together We Can. Our association president Mamta Gupta has given her theme as Mission Mamta, Orphan Free India. I know it is very difficult in India to adopt children and do this project. It is a 5-year plan to end orphanages and orphans in India. I have sent a PowerPoint presentation to your president and request the club to take up mission of our association president. So I request Kirti, I request you to show the PowerPoint presentation in the next meeting to your club members so that you all can work together towards it. It will really take a lot of time and it is not easy to do this, but then we together can achieve again, we can say that. I'm happy to present a veggie bag. Please encourage to use the same while shopping. Kirti, I want to give this to you. So this has pockets inside. Yeah. So you can take up this project as Mamta has given this as children of all schools, around 1,000 children, and we are planning to give these bags to each of the child so that 1,000 houses will be having this bag and say no to plastic. So we can do this project together as well, and other clubs also combined we can do this project. That we will talk about it later. So, in the history of 315, no IIW president has attended any of our district events. So this is a privilege to our district. Phyllis Charter is coming and attending our conference in November. So please attend in large number. And before that, of course, yes, Koti in Bhuvangiri is coming up, an assembly in Bhuvangiri. So please make it a grand success by attending in large numbers. So these bags are 45 rupees per bag. One person in Ahmedabad is doing. So if you wish, we can order over there and you can find out if anybody else is doing in a cheaper price. So you are aware that Innerwheel is world's largest women volunteer service organization, but we are not publicizing the same enough. It is suggested that the club takes up the project and paint the Innerwheel logo on buses, auto rickshaws and visible public transport. So I want to give a sanitary pad napkin for sample. So here also we have printed Innerwheel, so that if you do this project, Innerwheel can reach so many houses. So these also one person is doing. He is charging 10 rupees along with the logo and all. So if you get in a cheaper price, try to get it. Otherwise, we can order to this person also. So there's a manufacturer of this in Guntur itself. And I will announce the East Zone. East Zone, our district comes under East Zone. So East Zone meet will be held on 21st and 22nd September 2019 at Taj Vivanta, Guwahati. So any interested members can attend the East Zone. You can plan Guwahati, visiting Guwahati and nearby places, Cherrapunji and all. You can attend this and come. And in the national event during the Phyllis Charter's visit, it is called National Meet Migration will be held on 17th and 18th of November 2019 at Ananta Resort, Udaipur. So I request you all to make program after the conference immediately. You can plan for Udaipur and nearby places in Rajasthan. Club Officers Training Institute, as I said, Koti, Vidya will be held on 20th July 2019 at Suwali Estates, Bhuvangiri. The compulsory participants are Club President, Secretary, ISO and Treasurer. District Assembly Virinchi will be held on 21st July 2019 at Hotel Rivera, Bhuvangiri. There is a need to expand Innerwheel in your area. Earlier there was Innerwheel Club of Kamareddy. Please try to motivate members and start at least 3 new clubs. Armoor, Kamareddy and one more new Gen Club in Nizamabad you can start. I was talking to Nikita in the morning, Nanuradha's daughter. Why don't you guys start a new club in Nizamabad, new Gen Club? So please look into it and start. So International Innerwheel President, as I said, Phyllis is coming on 14th November. Please attend in large number. And once again, I wish Kirti, Darshana and club members a successful year ahead. Special thanks to Anuradha who hosted me last night. All 3 of them, President, Secretary and Anuradha, came to station at 12 in the night to pick me up. And since then she is looking after me so well. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you, friends.
सफ़र दोस्ती का यूं ही चलता रहे, सूरज चाहे हर शाम को ढलता रहे, ना ढलेगी अपनी दोस्ती की सुबह, चाहे हर रिश्ता अब बदलता रहे।
President, Secretary and her team, and we are here to help them in any manner, any time. We are ready to help them. Thank you.
Beena Agarwal and her team, please come forward.
इनरव्हील क्लब को बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं कि इतना अच्छा कार्यक्रम है और हमने रोटरी को इनवाइट किया। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और रोटरी क्लब सदैव इनरव्हील के साथ रहा है और आगे भी रहेगा, ऐसा हम विश्वास दिलाते हैं। धन्यवाद।
महिला शाखा निजामाबाद। వేదికను అలంకరించిన పెద్దలకు, పాస్ట్ ప్రెసిడెంట్లకు, క్లబ్ సభ్యులకు, ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి వచ్చేసిన రోటరీ క్లబ్ సభ్యులకు మరియు అతిథులకు నమస్కారం. It's an absolute privilege to stand before all of you on this gracious occasion and to tell the most awaited words. Yes, I accept to be the president of Innerville Club of Nizamabad for the year 2019-20. Dear friends, the theme of our Innerville Club every year gives us a new message and all the epistles of inspiration. This year's theme, Together We Can. We can tells us together we can tells us to work together to make this year a success. Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is a progress. Keeping together is a progress and working together is a success. And I believe that together we can achieve success. And to make it happen, I am ready to give my best efforts to make you all proud to have selected me for this post. Friends, we are lucky to be a part of this prestigious largest international women voluntary service organization, which gives us a platform to render our services for the upliftment of humanity and also promote our personality. This year's special focus will be given to Orphan Free India, reducing plastic uses,
women empowerment, girl education, environment, publicize inner will, etc. Friends, for the fulfillment of these objectives, I would like to have your positive and constructive cooperation, without which I can do nothing. It is said, alone we can do a little. Alone we can do a little. Together we can do so much. Together we can do so much. यह सब प्रोजेक्ट तो हम पब्लिक के लिए हर साल करते आए और आगे भी करते रहेंगे। पर हमारी इस वर्ष एक और प्राथमिकता है कि अपने इनरव्हील क्लब निजामाबाद के लिए प्लेस लेना है। उसमें हमें आप सब सदस्यों के साथ साथ रोटरी क्लब ऑफ निजामाबाद और निजामाबाद रोटरी सर्विस ट्रस्ट का भी सहयोग मिलेगा, ऐसा मुझे पूर्ण विश्वास है। और रोटरी क्लब ऑफ निजामाबाद और रोटरी ट्रस्ट के पदाधिकारियों से निवेदन करती हूँ कि इस कार्य को पूर्ण करने में हमें प्रोत्साहित करें। इस अवसर पर अपने परिवारजनों का अभिवादन और अन्य लोगों का अभिवादन न करो तो ये उचित नहीं होगा। सबसे पहले तो मेरा परिवार, मेरे भाई बाबूजी, जिनके आशीर्वाद से मुझे ये अवसर मिला, मेरे देवर देवरानियां जिन्होंने मुझे इस पोस्ट की जिम्मेदारी संभालने के लिए सपोर्ट किया, हमारे परिवार की न्यू जनरेशन जिससे रोज कुछ न कुछ नया सीखने को मिलता है, और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण मेरे बेटर हाफ रोटरी अध्यक्ष श्री राम सोनी जी, जिनकी सपोर्ट की वजह से आज मैं इस मुकाम पर पहुंची हूँ। मैं इनरव्हील क्लब की बहनों का, संस्था के शानदार हीरोमती के समान सीनियर पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट्स का, मेरे शुभेच्छकों का और मेरे समस्त मित्रों की भी आभारी हूँ, जिनकी प्रेरणा और समर्थन से आज मैं यहाँ पर पहुंची हूँ। धन्यवाद।
विनीता हरनाथ का डिस्ट्रिक्ट चेयरमैन of 28 clubs in district 315 maaku 28 clubs unnai 750 members and our goal the together we can is the theme of this year and maaku goals unnai orphanage free India ani oka goal undi aa goal meeda andaru pani chesi shrama chesi 5 years lo orphanage free India cheyadaniki idi goal pettaru association presidents inka plastic free India ఇంకా అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి వాళ్ళందరితో కలిసి మేము అందరం మెంబర్స్ सब लोग मिलकर हम सब प्लास्टिक रिमूव करने का ऑर्फनेज फ्री इंडिया और भी बहुत काम कर रहे हैं और काम करते रहेंगे। थैंक यू।